To view your payment history on Bitget, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you quickly access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Bitget website or app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet section on the main dashboard. This is usually found in a menu or navigation bar. Step 3. Access transaction history. In the wallet section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on it to proceed to your payment records. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have options to filter your transactions by date, type, or status. Use these filters to narrow down the specific payments you want to view. Step 5. Review your payment details. After filtering, you will see a list of your transactions. Click on any specific transaction to view detailed information, including amounts, dates, and statuses. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Bitget.